Okay guys, so I have my Cape Ribbon shoes here that I've had for maybe 3 years and I've never worn them. And this is what happens when you don't wear your shoes or store them properly. They're extremely foggy, as you can see, and I have tried many ways to clear this, from soap and water, vinegar, apple cider vinegar, a bleach rag. Nothing has worked. So it was recently when I tried to wear them again, I was like, you know what, let me really clean this thing out, and I figured out what I need to use to get it super clear, as you can see right here. So I put together a little tutorial for you guys. It's really quick. The soap and water did not work like this did, so let me know what you guys think and if it worked for you. Alright, so I put the shoe up here, the good one, on display, and these are what you're going to need. You're going to need some Lysol wipes. Hopefully you can find these during Corona. And a rag. I cut a towel, and I wet it a little bit as well. So you're just gonna need a few wipes. I'm heavy-handed, so I always grab a lot of everything. But it's because I want a nice wad for when I'm inside of the shoe cleaning it. One thing I will say is that as much as the inside of the shoe is dirty, the outside is very dirty as well, because that's what really is in contact with a lot of the external elements. So give outside a good wipe, and you'll start to see it clear up a little bit, not a lot, but it's really the thought that counts. Just go ahead and clean the outside of the shoe, and I promise you, once you get to the inside, you're going to see a complete transformation.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extraordinary.
Now, doesn't this look like a complete 180 from what you saw before? So now I have two perfectly clean shoes ready to go out if I go anywhere. And it doesn't take a long time, as you see, and I sped up the video, but it'll probably take you around 15 minutes, if that. Here's a close-up, crystal clear, of shoe 1 and shoe 2, and hope you guys learned something.